In the beginning, there was the humble written word. Then came the printed word, giving ideas wings and opening up a new world of typographic expression. With the computer and the internet, words became boundless. But, sadly, only a handful of system fonts could be used online, leaving thousands of typefaces frozen as static images on the web. But we're about to change all that. Introducing Fonts.com Web Fonts, fully enabled typography for the web. We're giving you the flexibility and control you've been waiting for. We're putting type back in the spotlight, giving it back its mojo, setting it free. Now you can be yourself, and so can your client, in a multitude of languages. With Fonts.com Web Fonts, type online is not just a pretty face. Fonts.com Web Fonts lets you display your text online in thousands of premium, in-demand fonts without sacrificing performance. Bring your identity online, as well as the fonts you want to use for your headlines, subheads, body copy, and other text. Each time a visitor comes to your site, the font is delivered direct to their machine across all leading browsers in a W3C compliant way. Your web text will remain selectable, scalable, changeable, and search engine friendly. And it's easy to use too. Simply add your selected fonts to a Fonts.com Web Fonts project page. Preview your selection and get a single line of code for instant, fully enabled web text in the font of your choice. That's it. Want to change your fonts? No problem. Just swap the fonts in your project page and the change will appear live on your website without ever touching your code again. How simple is that? And what's even better, Fonts.com Web Fonts is brought to you by Monotype Imaging, home to the renowned Monotype, Linotype, and ITC foundries. With a massive selection of fonts, including thousands of the most celebrated typefaces, we'll take your message anywhere, in style. Welcome to the revolution of type online. So what are you waiting for? Go on, give it a try. Sign up now and set that type free.